Live in the heart of BGC. Welcome to this newly renovated bi-level one-bedroom corner unit at the Fort Residences. You're right in BGC, steps away from high street, top offices, malls, cafes, and nightlife. This is a rare 69 square meter space, originally designed as a two-bedroom but converted into a huge one-bedroom with an open bi-level layout. Fully furnished, newly renovated 20th floor corner unit with a spacious walk-in closet and a generous private second floor bedroom. Perfect for expats, young executives, BGC-based managers, startup founders, digital nomads, and professionals who want premium space in a prime BGC location. Send me a message to schedule a viewing. Live the BGC lifestyle at the Fort Residences. Kaya yan!